Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the domino switch model and the circuit voltage so you avoid mismatches. Once done, shut off the circuit breaker and verify power is dead with a non-contact tester. Do not proceed until it reads 0. Prepare tools, screwdriver, wire stripper, and the recommended connectors from the manual. Make sure to remove the old faceplate and free the wiring bundle. Label live, neutral, and ground if not already marked, so reconnection is immediate and unambiguous. You now wire the domino switch by matching each conductor to the labeled terminals. Live to L or common, neutral to N if required, ground to the green screw, and any traveler wires to the appropriate terminal for multi-way setups. Once matched, strip approximately 0.5 inches of insulation, fold the conductor neatly, and insert into the terminal or twist with a properly rated connector. Make sure to tighten screws to manufacturer torque specs and tuck wires so no insulation is pinched when the switch is seated. You finish by replacing the switch into the box and fastening the faceplate, then restore power at the breaker and test function. Toggle the switch, check indicator LEDs, and verify the controlled load responds. If it's a multi-way circuit, test each switch in sequence to ensure proper coordination. Make sure there's no buzzing or excess heat. If you detect issues, turn the breaker off again. Key troubleshooting tip: if things fail, recheck wire identification and tightness, confirm model compatibility, and retest with the breaker off before adjusting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.